The city is a complex place full of starts and stops. Motorcycles offer a different path. Now the Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450 has arrived. It suggests a new way to navigate this urban dance. It feels like a fresh thought, a new tool for an old challenge. It asks us to look again at city riding. What is a motorcycle in the city? It is more than just transport. It can be a feeling of freedom. It is a personal response to the world of concrete and steel that surrounds us. The Guerrilla 450 seems to understand this deeply. It is built with this understanding in its very frame. It is not merely another machine off an assembly line, it feels like an idea given form. An idea about living well in the city. Many motorcycles attempt to master the urban environment. Some are too large and feel cumbersome. Some are too small and feel overwhelmed. The Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450 aims for a careful balance. It seeks to be precisely the right tool for the specific job of city riding. We will see if it lives up to its promise. City riding has its own distinct rhythm. Traffic is a constant companion. It flows like a slow, wide river. Then sometimes it simply stops. A rider needs a machine that understands this unpredictable flow. The Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450 is designed for exactly this. It feels nimble under you. It is responsive to your smallest input. It is ready for the city's pulse. It does not fight the city. It works with it. Tight corners can appear without warning. Narrow alleys often offer a quicker way. Larger, heavier bikes can struggle in these spaces. They can feel clumsy and out of place. The Guerrilla 450, however, feels at home here. Its thoughtful design allows for quick, easy changes in direction. It seems to move with the rider's thoughts, not against them. This harmony is key to confident urban travel. It makes the difficult parts feel easier. The Guerrilla 450 offers agility without making the rider uncomfortable. It provides an engaging ride without demanding constant high-engine revolutions. The feeling of being in control is very important. This clarity makes the ride safer and more peaceful. The engine is the heart of any motorcycle. The Guerrilla 450 has a new 450 CEC engine. It is a single-cylinder design. This type of engine is well suited for city riding. It provides good, strong torque at lower speeds. This means you get quick acceleration from a complete stop. This is very important at traffic lights. It helps you move with the flow of traffic, or even ahead of it, smoothly. The Guerrilla's engine delivers this power smoothly. It is not harsh or sudden. It is predictable and manageable. This characteristic greatly helps in slow-moving traffic. It makes the act of riding easier. It makes it more enjoyable. The overall design of the motorcycle is also very important. It is not just about how it looks, it is about how it functions for the rider. The Guerrilla 450 features an upright riding position. This position is generally comfortable for longer periods. The handlebars are placed for easy, intuitive steering. This is a good approach. We take the Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450 out onto real city streets. The morning city is waking up. Cars and buses begin to fill the roads. The motorcycle feels surprisingly light. It moves easily between lanes of traffic when needed. The engine responds quickly to the throttle. It feels alive and eager. This is clearly where it belongs. It feels natural in this environment. It is not stressed. We navigate some tight alleys. We ride over old cobblestones. The Guerrilla 450 handles these challenges well. The suspension system works effectively. It absorbs many of the bumps and imperfections in the road. The bike remains stable and composed. This gives the rider confidence, even when riding on difficult surfaces. When the traffic light turns green, it pulls away cleanly. There is no hesitation from the engine. It easily keeps up with the flow of city traffic. The brakes feel strong and reliable. It is practical for daily use. It is also enjoyable to ride.